Okay, so I'm here fixing the rattle sounds in the back seat of my Model 3. One thing that I did is to put tape. You can use double-sided tape if you need to, but this is really good. It's gonna hold this cable that was loose, making noise. And then another place that I found that was making noise is these two cables here. Now they are secure, they don't move. Another one, this piece, this switch or bracket, I'm just holding it like that with this zip tie. And then the other noise was coming from this bracket. It was really loose, but now I put some foam underneath, on the bottom and on the top, as you can see there. So that's gonna get rid of that rattle noise that we hear when we drive. Check every connection that is not loose. In some vehicles, people are complaining that this bracket is loose. But in my vehicle, which is a 2020, it's different. So it's not loose, it's secure. It's not making noise from here. So in other cars, you might need to put a washer inside there to prevent this from moving back and forth, you know, like this. And that's what makes noise, metal with metal. But in my car, it came like this, so that's not a problem. Just secure anything that is loose, you know. Just check every cable and everything. I'm gonna show you what I did with the back seat underneath. Hold on. Now here, what I did was, this piece is loose. Oh, actually it was loose because the connector goes there, but it makes noise. So what I did, I just applied some double-sided tape on the perimeter here, like that, underneath, here, and here on this side. And now this is not gonna move. If service needs to be done, well, that's easy. They just pull it out, applying a little bit of force. Another thing is